Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I'm out here at the range today courtesy of Morphy's with sort of a ZK-383. You may notice, if you recognize the 383, that's not supposed to be there. Well, this is actually a semi-auto build from a ZK-383 parts kit. The 383 is a magnificent, very cool submachine gun. I have a previous video out there on the standard, like the real 383, the original ZK-383. It's got a bipod, it's got bolt weight so you can change the rate of fire, it's awesome. But they're extremely rare in the United States. And so someone got their hands on a parts kit for one and built a semi-auto gun out of it. This is, I'm of mixed feeling. So I'm really not a fan of, for example, semi-auto Suomi submachine guns because I think the extended barrel looks terrible, they're really heavy, and they don't seem to run all that well. The Suomis in particular. But for a gun like this, the way that this muzzle has been done with a flash hider, it actually doesn't look terrible. And it is a gun that, well, kind of like the Suomi, is extremely difficult to find in its original full auto configuration. So if you want one, a semi-auto is a really nice backup option, especially given that as semi-auto, it doesn't have any of the encumbrances of the NFA. So let's see if we can do some shooting with it. Super easy to shoot in semi-auto. Like, there's no recoil on this thing. It's a 9mm carbine that weighs probably 8 pounds. Like a lot of this sort of one-off conversion, this has a few magazine-related issues. It doesn't like to run with a full magazine, but it'll run with only a few rounds loaded in it. So something that can be resolved. Also worth pointing out, the green paint, not original green paint. Some people will like that, some people won't. I think it'd be better blued, but that's just me. So there's the conundrum. Do you stick with waiting for a full auto version of the gun that's so cool that you really want, or do you console yourself with the semi-auto instead until such time as a full auto shows up? Only a question that you can answer. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this brief look. I thought this thing was so scarce. I've never seen another semi-auto ZK-383, so I figured that's funky and scarce enough and interesting enough that we should bring it out to you guys. So thanks to Morphy's, we did. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.